Good day to everyone. Next, we'll see another similar topic, that is sanity testing. Sanity testing, it is a type of software testing that happens after a minor change in the code or functionality. Sanity testing, it is done to ensure that the functionality of a software application is working as expected even after a minor update or bug fixing. This is called as sanity testing. Now, when do we perform this sanity testing? This sanity testing, it is performed when the testing team, they find a bug or a defect and they report it back to the development team. The development team, they will work on the defect and they will fix the defect and they will send the new build to the testing team to test it. At this point of time, the testing team, they do the sanity testing. Sanity testing here, it is done to make sure that the functionality of a software application is working as expected even after a minor update or a bug fix or modification which has been done. Next, we'll see the difference between smoke testing and sanity testing. Whenever we get a new build, we'll test for the basic and critical features of an application. This process or this type of testing, it is called as smoke testing. The main purpose of this type of testing is to verify that the application works as expected before we do the deeper testing or before we proceed to the further testing. In sanity testing, we'll check for the new functionality or bugs fixed. Here the main purpose is to verify that the main behavior of the newly added features or bugs fixed, it is working as expected or not. Smoke testing, it is done by both developers and as well as test engineers. Sanity testing, it is usually performed by the test engineers. Smoke testing, it is a shallow and wide testing because it covers all the basic and important functionality of an application. Sanity testing, it is the narrow and deep testing. Smoke testing is scripted and we can automate smoke test cases. Whereas sanity testing, it is unscripted and it can only be done manually. These are some of the difference between the smoke testing and sanity testing. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our video or updates. Thank you.